Hello. So I got this carbon steel pan here. Hold on, I got the sheet here. Ma fière baguette, la passion des gold. I don't know, I'm not French. But I was trying to season it on this induction cooker here. And I guess it only has like a 6-inch burner, whatever you want to call it, because that's all I got. And I guess it heated it up too fast too, or something. Maybe just heating up the middle did this. But as you can see, there's a crumb on my stove, and the pan is warped here. So no good, no good. Yup. No bueno. Oh well. See if... I don't think there's a warranty. See if I can pound it out. I don't know. We'll see later. Maybe someone useful in the comments will tell me what to do. Yeah. See you next time.